Here we go. It has been a while. Whew. Sorry for that little delay. I had to remember, how do I even use the cruise control? It's been so long. Please, don't blame me. It was this darn, hey birds, it was this darn Ohio. If it wasn't snowing, it was raining. It was cold. It's back. Nice weather is back. Well, heck, it must be in the mid-50s out here. I'll take it, man. Good enough. Anyway, before we get any further into this video, folks, grab a coffee, get your favorite beverage, grab that Coca-Cola, dump it over ice, get that bag of popcorn, because, man, I have got some stuff to tell y'all. I got a lot to cover. I mean a lot of really unimportant stuff that you're gonna wish you didn't even know the answer to, but it'll stick in your head, and then when people ask you, you'll be like, oh man, I know the answer to that. And that kind of sucks, because now I feel obligated to tell you. Anyway, it's like this. I keep threatening to do a video on, and let me just apologize in advance for this windshield. This is my year, man. This windshield's coming off this year. There's no doubt in my mind this windshield is coming off and staying off. The video will look cooler without the windshield. But you see, sunshine, it's not that warm out yet. Blocking this wind right here off my core is kind of cool. Now that I'm like 10,000 videos into this, now that I am all over YouTube, now that you can type in my name and my videos pop up, maybe it's high time I explain who the hell I am. So let me just explain to you, who is Eric Spots and what the hell is Fort Spots. I'm all the time starting my videos, and me and Becky's riding by, and it's from a drone point of view, and it's like bow, and it says Fort Spots. You're like, what the hell, Eric? You don't even live in a fort. You're stupid. And you know, you're right about all them things. Here's where that came from, okay? When my kids were little, we put in a swimming pool out back, and pretty quickly I decided to put a fence up around my backyard. 6-foot high privacy fence. It's like the perfect zombie apocalypse fence. Ain't nothing coming through that fence. But while I was drilling out the holes and hanging the fence up, one of my neighbors come over. He's like, hey man, dude, you're looks like a fort back here now, man. And it just kind of stuck. Fort Spots. I was thinking, one of the first things that'll happen when that fence is up, when my kids are out there in the pool, all the neighbors can't just come nonchalantly walking straight up to them out at the pool. They're gonna have to come through the front door. They're gonna have to talk to Big E. So that's where Fort Spots came from. It's because my backyard, now it is a little fort that keeps my doggies in and the big doggies out. So it's still pretty much my zombie apocalypse fort. So Eric, why do you put that at the beginning of your videos? Really, I mean, why? Well, you know what? It just kind of encompasses everything. Fort Spots means, you know, Eric Spots, it means his little tiny half-pint girlfriend Becky weighs in at a mean 110 pounds. 4 spots means tater tot and hash brown. My little rock star doggies who have way more followers on their page than I will ever see. Sort of encompasses the whole mess. And most of my rides start there. And so you know what? Most of my rides end there. So it's like I'm out at a restaurant or I'm out at a park somewhere and I'm like, well, it's time for us to be getting back to the fort. Makes sense, right? Back to the fort. Because, you know what? Motorcycles are awesome. This is awesome. But there's more. We also like to take our little doggies and walk them. And over the years, the nicer our house gets, the more we like just, man, hanging out at the fort, watching TV, enjoying the fact that we're not at work at that moment. That's just enough entertainment a lot of times. But not today, brother. We're on a mission. We are going to find that Hogg Shop. And we are going to invade it. And through the magic of modern science, I can speed this up by pushing this button